operators from that
เปิดกู
squad.
เราดู
Hunt them down.
เป๊ะดี
You got reinforcements inbound.
เฮ้ยเนี่ย
Messed up.
You're back on station. Go get after it. One supply box down. Two remain. Counter UAV overhead.
โอ้
ต้านเต้กันอยู่ตาย
Two supply boxes.
ก็เป็นเดสสบายมาก
We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Some of your squads outside the safe zone.
small side
มันมาดินกันแบบ
Verstehen?
ใส่กันก็มากใส่กัน
โอ้ไล่ติงเนี่ยเม็ด
ดานเกี่ยวอุณหภูมิเธอชี้ดินนาน
เกี่ยวลบ
Enemies dropping into the AO. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Flyover. Recon drones are on patrol. Check your tag map and stay out of range.
วันเราเตาไทย
ไม่ชินอะไรกัน
Your squad mates redeploying. Well done. Check the claws. Aerial recon's gonna pass right over you. Relocate. Toronto. Hostile mosquitoid online.
มาดู
Recon drones got your position. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Clear. You're in the path of incoming patrols. Get out of there, soldier. Bounty targets are up. Get after them. You're getting another chance. Make it count. 24
Living Ballasty.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Your squad mate's back on station.
Hey, what the fuck, bro? You a pussy.
Pantiin
Pissed off, yeah.
Som nå til det om ordet.
Alla drive one more picture.
Coming in hot. Do a loadout.
Don't get notched down.
Jalan na way me. Jalan. Lagi launching.
You're weak, yeah.
Talaga na.
What about you? What was it? Kaya lang dia launch man.
Ngat pa na ingo.
Na launch. Maluwo.
You've got reinforcements inbound.
Fucker! Rasa ele.
Hey, we about loadแล้ว
Daran.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Hostile UAV in the area. Gas is closing in.
Apa kita
Friendly mortar strike on the way. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. Secure the supply boxes. Locations are marked on your task map. Fire sale.
Nga, wait pa lang.
Adjusting prices.
Utte, nga tum na nita.
Supply box secured. Move on to the next one.
Tum well nice nga. Tum, one muna nga bro.
Tadi mana lah?
Fashirik. Hey.
All supply boxes secure. Contract complete.
Gas. Lihat ntar je. Tadi nak stay pakai ntar din.
Airstrike.
Kahit din ang tipen, itari circle lang je.
For prize contracts, you'll earn more buck for your bang.
Acho que tô na lama, é nojinho, mas dá. É toda a dela que tô na lama.
Be advised, enemies deployed a buy station. Got gas moving in.
Hey, money yang bunda kata kill streak ngan berakan lah. Enggak mudah aku semua. Niche pa dia kata.
Gimana yan?
Macam-macam ni orang dah senang.
Ni
Tahu ni dia tu.
Andiamo a posto dai.
Bangen. Bangen.
Ne met je pa man. Ne moet je hè. Che siamo lì, check that, patata ko. Sino na met na pa. Dan met no be ma. No that. Bye. Pe wadan kia pa bing. Tao cũng sẽ klik hè.
Love it, admin. I love it, admin.
Dude, I got you, brother.
Ba mì đang. Ba mì đang ba rực này.
Copy that. Apa push ka, datang ako down na.
I
Down,
love it,
down,
admin.
down.
Saan ko lumayat?
I love the gun again. Fire, admin.
Saan pa yan?
Oh my god.
Где ты наш перлум? Met je van op een room dingen na met luo pa ke site yang en helicopter.
I love the gun, admin.
Pangalangan met je na siya. Tapa may ungan team du ka.
Langen. Please, I'm sure, gun.
Mỏi mò cái cha.
Met luo patin location.
Dạ.
Ne ola mi siya.
Feedback yan plate yung ako American line isla. I apply na, they apply all.
Nên nghe đau lắm mà.
2 per second please.
Yên thôi.
Pernah simpel ada di sami siya lagan fast.
Phải hôm mâm thì về, đi cũng dạ như về. Còn tí vẽ ta cũng nhớ là đi về à, còn vẽ.
Kaya pernah sini siya lagan kat itu. Hello, wangin lah berjalan. Hello.
Kian saya kan kadul lagi.
Apa?
dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming soon. Enemies dropping into the AO. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone.
Joel, add to them and stronghold.
Bring them back fast.
Oh, there you are.
Tiger room things on the beach. Oh, I'm tiger room is on the beach.
Yes,
Hello, yeah, man.
Super Liga, man. Yes. Ué. Ah!
Your squad mates are deploying. Well done. Hostile Guardian has been detected.
Langan.
You got reinforcements.
Room dead. Okay. Let's go. Team wipe. Yeah.
Oh, hello, Islam.
Get over.
What to go?
Hey, una phone je ba nang o. Ni mark lot ngay.
My phone.
You're redeploying.
Can I do get room?
Yes, the phone. Yeah, the law.
Get ready. Gas is moving. Being tracked by an enemy squad. Invade and survive.
Magi bana is oh.
The enemy lost track of you. Down there.
Hey, move.
Get it one shot. Nang ito kisi. Mo siya pata di red.
Enemy buy station incoming.
Lengan gas ko cũng piramide. Xong rồi mệt trái sao tụi bạn.
Room flashbang.
Dawan fake.
Berat pati room ngan. Double.
Loadout drop headed your way. Squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Så. Mitt var som jag glodde av den gången. Man kan tro att du nigga.
Se murió el pendejo.
May danger a flew across.
يلا رجال.
Nakia.
Hostiles deploy a mosquito. Surveillance drones heading your way. Get moving. Time for vengeance.
Ano yun? Paano yun sa amin?
أبغى جتين بن.
Yes, kayas. Wala ni Kian sniper. Sige, biya pa ingi.
Recon drones flying in for another pass. Watch your position. Aerial recon's gonna pass right over you. Relocate.
Whoa!
You are in scanning range. Enemy has your location.
Oh yeah.
In control.
There are 24 enemies active. Kill them all. Enemies dropping into the AO. Head to the safe zone.
Watch about the loot gun.
Lang na.
Masih apa?
Good work.
Yes, kawalin siya men maluyo.
So din tak nagbiga bagay.
يوم.
You're back on station. Go get after it. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. High value contracts are in play. More risk, more reward. Down to you, soldier. Stay strong. You've got reinforcements inbound.
No.
I'm moving it. Fire those it.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
بجلمهم.
Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal.
Wih, awesome po.
Ngay mai gen naguluksi. Ay gấu da kia gì? Yes, mình cay. Nè.
Check your weapons, check your gear. We're holding for deployment. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting.
Kaya ngayon.
Dropping into the AO.
Lagi ninin wag kaya ngayon. Hindi ka ba nandiyan dot nito yung white?
Lagay, talaga nila. Ba't pa-room yan? Dali. Siapa kan? Angan.
Fake.
Harus respond tengah hilang amal lang siya. Sige, wala lang siya. Apa yang kata kau? Kalau apa yang tahu ni?
Siapa tu kau? Kita nanti lah. Wala niya.
Tale pujan.
Kasi lutan kasi dulu na ba mas eh?
Begitu.
Mam ya yang dia bagi. Apa ya?
Jangan lah.
Yes, the funky. The fall yang metlutal level fun lah. It's good enough to play the guitar hit logo. Gender guitar, ticka. No doubt it's good. Let me smell him down. समझा क्या मना अगर लेंगे ना तब अच्छी UAV Bob.
Yeah, Mike. Bayar lagi load dia. Oh, fuck yeah, Yoki.
Đi được phun.
Công chỉ cả lờ.
Rất là nhìn mình nè. Rất là chúng ta ngon của mình kìa. Yes.
Also, pengen dalam Indonesia.
Yes. Walang kiya ako na mission na.
Blue bomb Thailand game.
Make it count.
Ini kami tena di KSX.
Balik. Jangan masalah. Si berada dalam masih berbagai hijau kuning ini.
What the fuck, bro? There's like two motherfuckers in the same spot, bro. That's... I don't know about that shit. It's not nice nga food like a match, eh? That's why I got the gas kick, yeah, good.
What's the game, right?
Lost it.
Yes! I really need that kill, and this motherfucker's killed. Nakikita really likes ka. Car 98 single man. Uwingin na. Yes, Chronic, Downey.
Oh ya, venga.
Dari. Full med Dari. Nè, ngày mông nghe bè. Ngày mũi vang ngon lắm.
Louis,
Yeah.
let's play
Ready?
duos. Duos.
Like the dual maps, bro.
Alright. Did you see that they're playing? They're playing multiplayer right now.
Who's in multiplayer?
No, Connor, Frosty, Wawa, Posta, Sigbra.
You're in a custom match?
I think, let me try. Look, Daddy, do this. Okay, you're done. No, why they keep me out, bro? Don't keep me out. Don't keep me out. Don't keep me out. Don't keep me out. Damn, bro. There's some sad stuff. You kicked me out.
You got kicked out, bro?
Let me invite Louis.
Damn, that's dangerous, bro.
Louis is my bodyguard.
Guy hardcore game. Like me.
Hey, tell Louis, quick scopes, huh?
Hey, what is his name? Don't trip. Oh, don't trip, right?
Who?
Louis. What is
That's not
this?
his name.
So what it is on the online?
Oh no.
Takato. Oh no, bro.
Therapy, bro. Where you guys at? Move that ass.
I just invite all the Call of Duty people. Cause I don't know who is he. Alright, there it is. Damn, whatever. Why you guys play this? No more scrapyard? Shootouts?
Go.
It's okay, y'all. We do this shit.
Hey, don't plan that out, bro. Plan
Huh?
it out. Last minute, then plan.
Damn, that's some ballistic shit. Damn, Frosty. Why did I skew? I need to see the way he killed me.
Fuck is ever some lose, bro?
That's my friend, bro. Why?
Frost? What the?
He's a good guy.
That's your friend.
Mm-hmm.
So how much is your friend?
Show him what's up, Frost.
Hey, quick scope, Louis.
What the?
Why? What did Louis do?
I shot him. What the freaking? I thought he didn't die.
Did he art scope? No, come on, man. Louis, you bullshitting, bro. I know you can talk.
Yeah, just kidding. Who's really
Louis, bro, why you do that? No art scope.
invited to the party chat? Invited to the party chat.
What's the
Louis, did you see the invitation I sent you? Okay, bro, don't think about it. Man, nobody talk. Oh shit.
Cause you in the game chat, bro. Go fight chat.
What happened, bro?
There you go.
I don't know why. I think Louis don't want to join. This is an independent micronation player.
There's someone over there.
Moving on this guy.
Hey, Rice, what kind of
What?
sniper that is, dude? It's the first one.
Ew, why am I dying like that?
No, the sniper, that's a rocket launcher, dude. What the hell? What do you mean?
Yeah, why you use
Your
that?
bullets explode. I mean, it's an explosive sniper.
Alright, let me use it. The explosive sniper, that's what he said.
Man.
Man, that's some good shit.
Hey, you on the Game Pass? It's free, bro.
Yeah. See you guys on
Look at this. Let me see how.
What the fuck do that shit rush?
It's a sniper gun.
It's not, bro. You fucking dumb motherfucker.
Somebody mad as fuck right now, girl. He ain't playing with your stupid shit.
Get him, Bruce Lee.
Maybe a sniper, bro.
Right there. Boom.
No, mami. Hey, I was gonna say, fuck the model KOSRAEAN, but never mind.
Well deserved, well deserved.
Oh, shit.
That's some well deserved shit, cool. Now watch out, Frosty's gonna hide at the bomb.
God, look at this guy, bro. He's hard scoping.
Oh, the hard scope, I can hard scope your ass. That shit hit his ass.
Yeah! Rusty, my boy. Hey, you guys watch out. Spread it out, bro. Spread out. I'm here. Hmm? Sorry, sir.
Where's the left at?
Hey, it's right there. Whoa, whoa. Man, I almost shot him.
I should watch, I'll be back.
Nice.
Babby, turn on your mic.
Patty? This is party chat. Good.
No, he is. Look at it. It's there.
Don't be out scoping back there, good. That's my friend Louie, bro. Yeah, son of preach. Crossing. It's alright, bro.
Ooh, man, right when I turned.
But they've been.
Go be mad. Babby, stop being a girl and turn on your mic.
I got A. You guys defend B. You ran away from A.
Turn mic on, baby. Eee, Frosty, what the hell? You wanna... Who you wanna bother, bro?
I meant to say Babby, but the white came out in my head.
We need one more, that's why. Now two.
We got the hard scope over.
Yeah! What you waiting for, Buster?
Yeah, yo.
Wow.
Zaza.
Yeah, check out the sweats. Oh
Let's go, big
Come out
sniper.
already.
It's 1v2.
Yeah.
Right.
The guy ran to A, bro.
Yeah, let him do what he likes.
Hey, Cuts AFK, bro. You can go and finish him.
No, he's not. That guy's waiting with a fucking rocket launcher sniper, dog.
No, he's AFK, bro.
Yeah. Yo, bro. I do that shit, good.
Right there,
Do that shit. I be like that shit.
Damn, why they got 2, 4, 5? Oh, it's okay. One extra. You better arch-scope Louis or it's gonna kill us. Damn, why we throwing grenades or whatever the fuck you said? Dynamite. Right there.
Oh, fuck you, Rizon.
Ah!
Dude, perfect timing right in there.
Sorry.
Oh, damn, who keeps shooting me, bro? That's crazy.
Buster. He's on A.
Eerie.
Yo, it's IRI, not E.
That's Eddie.
No, it's IRI. Yeah, he's funny, man.
Wow, what's up?
Yeah.
Fucking rusty, dude. I mean, enjoy my Legolas moment, bro.
Take a turn. No run.
Rusty's behind you, though, huh? On our spawn.
Tar matar.
There you go, hey.
Damn.
In the dick.
Pissed off, girl. It's alright, Sam, to eat 10.
You gave them passes.
Ooh, almost got me, what the fuck?
With the spirit?
Yeah. What the fuck?
I just told that shit. I wanna get a lucky shot, that's why.
Yeah!
Dude, that third knife almost got me.
Louis! You're funny, bro. What? Hey, what the fuck? Yo, he just on my body. Oh my god, bro. Yo, kill him, bro. He's behind you. Oh shit, one of us is AFK, so don't be scared, man. It's only one. Yo, I'm at 12 right now, bro. 12, baby.
Run now? Ooh, Bounce got the AFK.
He's dying at that same window.
Oh, yes, I'm doing second supply.
Got him. Got him. I'm sorry, bro. Sometimes I'm going crazy.
Go crazy at AFK.
You know you gotta grab the chance, man. You know you gotta grab that chance. Hey. Yeah, I'ma chill cause I think I'm on top of the leaderboard. Oh no. Damn, Gunners don't wanna lose all the time, bro.
Damn.
Don't move, Buster. Don't move. You move, you die.
Bro,
Hey, yes, I got hostage over here.
I see you. I see you. Don't move.
Don't move, us.
I told you don't move.
I didn't move. Oh, I didn't move, bro. They killed me.
Sorry, guys. Still me, y'all.
You got caught trying to climb a ledge, bro.
Help him.
Don't move. All of a sudden I see Wawa's laser, dude. I'm like, oh, I'm not moving.
Tell him. Help him. Look. Help him.
was telling you not to move that.
Get more.
I did it, bro. I didn't move.
Get more over there.
Bro, fucking wild. I was looking in my map, I saw my teammate coming over, so I said, don't move.
Hey, put Louis on spectating.
No. 5v5 is good.
No, he didn't play. Alright, it's okay.
It's okay, because Katsuka didn't play too. They're both taking a shot together.
Yes.
Hey, no, hell no, not over here, bro. That's fucking crazy, dude.
Go terminal.
Oh, hell no. Das House? Something we never tried yet.
Put a big ass.
Yeah, Favela is the biggest map.
Two lives.
Hell no, you're not coming back. Oh, right here.
Alright.
Barry.
One or two not.
Sorry.
Watch out, yo. I might be pissed off again.
It'll be like that sometimes.
On the ASK player.
Oh, I do this shit. Oh shit.
Wow.
We.
That's the ugliest fight ever, bro.
Yo. Yo, bro. Damn, this guy's not playing.
Are you both? You got this. Oh, baby, clutch up. Don't even think about it. Just clutch.
The bomb is defused already.
Nah, don't worry, you got this.
Hey, FK.
He's already.
Oh shit, he's not even AFK. That's kinda sad, bro.
Can we trade, bro?
Lonely. I miss the lonely. Oh, what you trying to do, good? Trying to do good? Oh shit, Frosty.
Oh shit.
Oh no. Yo, this guy jumping like Mike Tyson and shit. Oh. Green Lantern.
1, 2, 3 knives. Look at age. Can't steal.
Alright, I'm pissed off. Time to eat 10. Frosty, do not come over there, bro. Why did you run?
You killed both you guys?
Yeah. But you ran away from us and never helped us. Yo, you're out, dude. Nigga left
It was
us.
2v1, bro.
Alright, 1v1 now.
1v1.
1 AFK, 1 AFK.
Are you actually surprised?
Look, I left those two alone because I thought it's only you, bro. I turned around the boat.
Man, that's some size shit right there, cool.
They're both AFK.
Then let's just win by bomb then.
No, just come kill me.
Oh, you have a mic or something.
Collateral.
Damn, what the fuck, boy? Alright, I'm gonna join them. I'm gonna join them, alright? You guys take care. Yeah, don't be. Watch out, guys. I do that shit. Yo. Yo, watch. Watch the surprise. Oh, what the hell? Wait!
You guys said that. You guys said.
Oh my god, bro. Ay, Aramaya.
Don't come through there. Just make sure I get some kills on the board. Ooh, collateral.
Who in the whole world? Wait. Hi. Thank you. Okay.
Alright, to me, it's AFK, bro.
How's church?
Grandma guy said they're not
Alright, hey guys.
How you doing at church? Oh, bro, you fucking jammed his ears, made him unbalanced, flipped him over, shot him in the head. Damn.
Search and destroy.
Alright guys, don't worry, I'm coming.
Yo.
No, don't be scared, bro. I'm here.
Oh, the fucking.
Oh my god. Yo, who's the Red Riding Hood, bro?
I ran it in safe mode so it can be okay.
Little Red Riding Hood, I'm so
No,
sorry.
I'm always asking to run it in safe mode. I ran it in safe mode and it's okay.
Don't shoot.
My settings, nothing changed if I just run it in safe mode. Yeah.
Watch, I'ma recover and go to the top.
No, I ran the game in safe mode.
Hiya!
I don't know, it's weird.
Wow.
Hiya! Uy! Right there, Frosty.
I know.
He's on AFK, guy.
Where is he? Let me take care of him. Oh, never mind.
I did delete it and reinstall it, but it still kept crashing, bro. So I just fucking ran it in safe mode, and then it works.
Oh, you're gonna shoot the ass. Oh, bro. some technical issue
the
right
game
there.
itself, bro. Because all my other apps are okay.
What are you guys talking
Something
about?
bug, I guess. Oh shit, sorry KOSRAEAN. I'm on Discord, that's why. Talking with the age solo.
Oh. Oh, you good, brother, man. Ay, ay, ay. Hey.
I'm gonna update it.
Yeah. That's way too late.
Buy me USB.
Oh yeah. It's better to buy the big flat one. The $90 one at Walmart. That's the best storage.
Even faster. Or
Oh my God, we're gonna see
right
Louis.
now it's not overheating, bro. My GPU is at 57. I remember before my GPU used to run around like 90, bro. Yeah, bro, it's not hot no more.
Who you talking to? You might be muting me, bro.
70 some. Oh yeah, the seat. Oh yeah, I have to put on the overlay for it.
Who you talking to? Wawa?
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna activate the.
Man, there's 3 of you. Mute me.
So you can see it. Burner, right?
Alright, I'm pissed off because 3 of you all mute me, bro. I'm going in. Hot! Come on, sing that shit. Turn me up.
CPU temp 1 OSD. So my CPU and just try to relax, but I'm still doing shit. Yeah, bro, it's at 83, bro.
Wait. What the fuck is that, Carter, bro?
Is it?
It's AFK, Connor. One left.
So it'll be like running around 70s, eh?
Yo, they all AFK.
What?
Oh, I see.
Damn, what the fuck? You should have just chill out and stay back, you know. It's okay.
Wait, you say it again?
No, tell Wawa to unmute me, bro.
Yeah.
No, not yeah.
No shit, that's why that shit's overheating like crazy?
Huh? Why is like that?
Oh, collateral, cool. Collateral, cool. Where?
KOSRAEAN, all your kills is collateral from here. Kills, bro. So mostly AMG.
Yo, bro, they're running away from me. Yo, what?
Hey, no meanings, bro. H.
Yo, whoa, dude.
Execute. Yeah, execute is fine, but meaning no.
Yeah, that's kind of fucked up, cool. Yo, God, that's kind of fucked up.
Yeah.
Please wake up. Collateral, dude. Wait.
Stop collateral.
What the hell? Yo. Man, I'm on top right now, bro. Man, I'm tired of this shit. Man, I'm tired of on top, bro. Watch, bro. I'm gonna go and snort that laying down you got, bro. Whoa, ain't no damn AFK. There's a sharpshooter right here. Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
That's a collab.
Who the hell laugh? I cannot. What the fuck is that laugh, bro?
Yeah. 360 collateral par.
No, he's at our area. He's trolling our AFK guy. So come. Yeah. He's over there. Yeah. Damn. Kill him. He's right there. Alright, he's AFK, bro. You can do everything you like. Oh, no. Whoa. That's some disrespect. Shit. Good. Yo, you just got disqualified, cuz. Disqualified. Here, Hazen.
Quick, Leo. Hey.
That's sad, bro. Why you guys kill him?
Ooh.
Oh, you thought you gonna get it? Oh, shit.
I'm on top now. It'll be like that sometimes.
Okay, Frosty.
Yo. What? No, I'm pissed off. That's all it is. Hey! What are you going, Gold?
You finally got.
No, he fucked up. You fucked up, cuz.
I can show you. Want to see a fucking
Hey, where are you going, cuz?
Oh, that's fake news, bro. That's shot.
Sorry, sometimes it's happen like that, man. Really sorry.
Frank, did I try to jump up?
Eee! What the fuck? Somebody. Oh!
The whole gang, dude. Shit.
Devin, you confused?
Okay, let's go like that. Let's go like that. We all going in one.
All right, please, all of you guys, come to me.
Come on, you. Say less.
Hey, fuck!
Two. Yup. This guy's so slick, bro.
I'm a snag.
AFK. Krusty's not playing right now, Cole. Well, damn, son.
Snakes don't fly, dude. Why'd you fly?
He tried to make 360. I see the technique you're trying to do. Alright, I don't want to play no more, y'all. I'ma let somebody, Wawa or something, get a kill. Why are we getting that defused? Where are they?
What? I thought you guys were watching it.
Ninja defuse.
Nice, bro. That was nice, I'm not gonna lie.
That's sad. UAV.
Ooh, okay, two, huh?
Where you going, Cook? Damn, that's kinda messed up. Oh, I thought you make it that one.
Oh. That knife in his hand.
That's a knee flapper.
You riding you trying to run and I knife you. Another UAV.
Rice is really
Where the fuck they get all that shit? From Walmart?
Oh, Frosty. Why didn't see you on the UAV, dog?
Yeah, let's go.
Nice, bro, let's go.
Oh man.
You guys stop giving them chance.
Damn, you guys messed up.
My last.
What are we doing, defending? Oh, hell yeah, planting. Because I already know where I'm gonna plant.
Yeah. Wala. Yo, Nika used the order gun, bro. What kind of gun do you use, bro?
I was gonna go for
This is our game.
No, bro. I always check my bomb site. So that's how you did it last time, huh?
Yo.
Hey!
Almost rusty, almost.
Bro, I'm gonna go shower too, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna be back.
If you did 2-step back, dude.
Alright, 1v1 me, whoever doesn't wanna eat.
Yeah, you want a 1v1?
Yeah, please.
Alright, you and Frosty, bro.
Frost.
Okay, you wanna go again?
I'm about to go work, why not?
Hey, oh, hold on, huh? I'm gonna go spectator.
Oh, go eat your ribs, man.
Let me go
Buster left.
You go to your name and press square.
Oh, hey, you on Black Ops? Hopping over then. Cleo, you wanna do a little Black Ops?
Let's go, zombie.
Let's go. Yeah, we're done.
You guys gonna zombies? You wanna?
Me and Leo. I think Age is gonna play.
No, whatever, you done?
Alright, that you guys gonna 1v1.
Okay, what round did we reach? 22?
Like, no, higher.
Round I reached 40 round and then fucking crashed. My game crashed.
You done, Frosty?
Yeah, I'm gonna invite you. We'll do the 1v1, dog.
I'm fighting the me.
You're gonna play zombie side?
Yeah. Can it be more than 4 players?
No, I think it's only 4 players.
No.
4 players.
Yeah, you wanna shoot some zombie
Oh, we
looking
can
ass.
multi though. 4.
Let's go,
Why? So the zombies gonna give you some candies? Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, bro. Gives us bubble gums.
I swear, that's a sucky smart.
What's join up, Leo? You gonna? Yeah, send you one.
No, let them out, don't let them in. Yes, I'll play Sun Stress. What about you? You ready?
Whoa, why am I lagging though?
What the hell?
You guys clan side.
Yo, H. Oh, I took it off because I was
What the frick? Why am I
for the
lagging?
one. Hey, H. You and you playing with Monizone? Oh shit.
Maybe you're too fast. Your server game cracked. Yeah. Yeah, I'm too fast, Rusty.
Pat and Wawa.
What?
Are you sure about
What the hell?
Yeah.
No way. You know all the spawns.
Are you sure about
I think
that?
only 4.
Alright, alright. You know the Oh, you know the freaking spawn area? That's all you gonna do? Oh.
Prestige 4 already.
How come the party on our names is 3 out of 32? Give me 32 players though.
Yeah.
What?
I'm just kidding, bro. I'm only level fucking 19. Now you can make 32, but what? But then it's gonna be 16 versus 16 private match. Yo, yo, yo.
These zombies.
It's doing it. Not really its job, but it's doing.
What? Yo, bro, what you trying to do? Who? Oh. Hey, we're playing to what?
I never overclock my shit, dude. How do we? I was asking Age, how do we overclock it?
Hey, we playing to what, bro?
Oh, the gameplay? 50.
Damn! That's some long ass shit.
Yeah, so you can catch up.
Oh, alright. That's knife shit, and
Why did I die? What the heck?
Holy! Watch out, bro.
Oh no, Age,
Oh my god, the same freaking area, and I ain't gonna go no more. I knew it already.
Oh, no, there's 3 of us.
Don't hide, bro. He hiding and kill me, bro. Oh my god.
No. We just started playing Black Ops 6. I know, bro. I help us fucking.
What? Oh no, don't put this map and hiding on me, nigga.
I'm not hiding.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm over here, girl. Fuck! Now we blowing it out. Now we blowing it out. Holy!
Yeah.
I join the COD channel, bro. Let's go Discord, boys. I'm gonna try to invite you to the channel.
2114, boy. Let's go.
2114.
Damn.
Dude, watch out, KOSRAEAN Killer, cause he be like that sometimes.
Man, this map. Man, he hiding till he beat me to 20. So I ain't tripping, bro. Look at him. If he push me, he was gonna keep dying like that.
No, he's doing that.
Look at him. 3 times in a row. Come, stop hiding, bro.
No, you're dead.
Stop hiding, bro. 4 times in a row, bro. 5 times. You gonna make 7?
Yeah, I sent you an invite through Discord. Do you see it?
What you looking for?
You got it.
Yeah, join that one. Join through your phone. And then when you go on Discord, just connect to your
What the hell, though, bro? I'm pushing you.
Leo's already here.
What?
Just join the channel that says COD. It says pro players and then channel COD.
The 24-28. Here we go now. They are so dead, bro. Please. You're wrong. Fuck, bro. Yo, that's nice as fuck. Nice, Frosty. Damn. Hey, son. Hey, son. Give me phone. Alright, Trusty. Get mom.
Yo. Alright, let's get this.
Green, they on their way to you, Green.
I'm not kidding.
Don't run! Don't run!
I'm not kidding.
Alright.
Right here on the back, they on the back, they on the back. Two of them on the back, Green. And one nigga got the car.
There's a knife one.
What?
Bro, they up here on the roof. This nigga, they got low out too.
Where the fuck did he go?
You ain't white, dog. What is it? Did you? Nice. Where you playing when you get on Warzone or BO6? No, Warzone. But I think when Caleb hops on, I'm probably gonna grind some camos with him in BO6.
I got all the wood back. I got all the wood.
Wait, go clean up.
Baby, come back. Ah, we killed this time, eh? Yeah, baby.
Everyone, follow him.
What? What? Why do that? Don't do it, no need boom. Okay, go mommy, go mommy.
All stations, this is Shadow 01.
Tummy Tom. Tom, I never sleep. I still playing scenes.
Hey, Frank, calm down, okay? He killed you. I tried to save you, my friend. I see him, okay? It's a team, my friend. No bueno.
Tranquilo, Mendola, matando.
We got somebody waiting on me.
Yep.
Requesting recon flyover.
You fucked up, cook. Ah! Tom, why you do me like that, bro? You just stare at me. Oh no, you're not there. I thought you just sitting on the corridor. Hey, my friend, where are you? You hiding? You're about to die? This guy doesn't even play.
Gibbs, you gonna work tonight?
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
Good job.
Yes, sir. I have to make this week full. I have to work 40 hours. I have to work 40 hours this week.
You need to work 40 hours every week.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay?
I'm sorry, bro. You're in the wrong position.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting.
That guy died. He thought he's a free man. Sorry, dude. You're in the wrong position. Yo, bro. You're so focused though, I ain't gonna lie to you. The way he's targeting. Hey, people come down. He's fucked up. Hey, another one on me. Coming in right now. Alright, come on. Somebody's waiting for us. Oh no. Let's go pick up somebody.
In the lobby?
Mm-hmm. No, nobody in the lobby. I'm telling you, bro. If we play duos. You're true.
Time is shit. I'm sorry,
Alright. You out?
I'm gonna go ahead and hop off, but I'm gonna jump back on. You probably be at work though, but...
Yeah. Alright, man.
Alright.
Yes, son.